You're messing me around. Your body's here with me, and I'd like to know if your mind is on somebody else, baby. I'd like to know if it's me that you really love.
Chop it off, put it in a wheelbarrow, fling it down a wall. Me drop it, come back and it's still a laugh. Let go me hand it, pull up me come in, the shoe down me get on. Cause every day the girls dress up in a trousers. I say what happened to your skirts and blouses? Why can't I man see you in your dresses? Cause these things unto judge and pleases. And every day them a worship vanity. And the greatest lust is jewelries. Mind a little with is easy. Hey, mind a little with is easy. The most dangerous disease. I said the most dangerous disease. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis. Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, cause every day that's a turning down the pages. From Proverbs forward to Genesis. From Revelation to Ecclesiastes. But let me tell you, say my wisdom increases. And the loss of the world it decreases. While every day man I build explosives. The corruption of the world it exposes. Mind jolly kill with diseases.
I'm getting married. Ding dong, you hear the church bell ring. She asked me, hello baby, and I'm gonna mind it. So take me to the church on time. But you may man, say if you think I'm sexy, so little girl reach out and touch me. If you really need me, so little girl reach out and tell me. And give me your loving, give me your loving. Don't forget about the all night squeezing. Don't forget about the hugging and teasing. I'm getting